Hey everybody, Don Dabney, owner of Left Coast Classics, and this is just a really beautiful, genuine 1970 Oldsmobile 442. In this video, I'm going to take you around the car, I'm going to take you under the car, but first buckle up because I'm going to take you for a ride in it. Wow, this thing's like G-force, just gets up and goes. We just shot up to like 60 miles an hour like that. Unfortunately, I can't go any faster because of the traffic. Anyway, this car is so nice, so beautiful, beautiful steering wheel, everything in it is beautiful. It's got working wipers, working radio, working heater fan, all the gauges are working, all the lights are working. It's just a great car to drive. And what else is cool is it's super tight. It drives straight down the road, the suspension is quiet, it doesn't rattle. It's just a fantastic car to drive. The downside is everybody in front of me is always going too slow when I drive this thing, no matter what speed they're going. All right, so there you go. Be sure to keep watching the video because there's a lot more ahead in this video. If you haven't already, if you would, it'd really help me if you hit subscribe and like. Even if you're not going to buy a particular car, it's cool. I'm always driving cool cars around in the wine country, so you can ride along and have that experience. If you're on a third-party website looking at this car, you should head over to my website right here at leftcoastclassics.com. We have a lot more content that I can put on my website that I can't put on the third-party sites. So head over to Left Coast Classics. And what else? Three episodes of Wheeler Dealers. We did a 57 Ford Thunderbird back in the Ed China days. That's this one right here. And then I think in 2018, it was a 1972 Lancia Fulvia. And then our last episode that aired was late 2020, I think December 2020. We did a one-owner Triumph TR4. Those are all fun episodes on my favorite car show, Wheeler Dealers on Motor Trend. So check those out, and you can always call or text me. In fact, the best way to get a hold of me on these third-party sites is to just go down the description, find my phone number, and call me directly on my phone number or text me, and I'll try and pick up. All right, thanks for checking out this cool Olds. Stick around because we got more coming. All right, let's head underneath the 442, and it's just a really nice car under here. No rust, no issues like that. Just nice and super tidy. You get up here, really nice floors, inner rockers, frame, everything's very clean and tidy. Kind of all the trappings of a original California car. Super nice up there. So just overall really nice under here. Guess if a guy wanted to spend a weekend under it detailing it, you could, but it's in really good shape. All right, so we're going to go around with, I just got a really weak little magnet, and let's see how she sticks. It's my first time around with it as well. It's grabbing great. Sorry guys, it's a little glary out here. All right, let's go back to the quarter. Not quite so grabby on the quarter. That one's great. Some bugs and chips and things. Okay. Overall, really good. It feels really solid and good everywhere. I just think there's a little bit of, there's some filler back here in this quarter. Let's do that one more time. Still grabbing it. It's got like a skim layer or something. There you go.